Hey there, it's Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I want to help you keep your immune system as strong as possible. And I'm here to give you some great antiviral tips and suggestions to really build your immunity. And I've written an ebook for you. So click on over to my website, grab the ebook, download it, and join me on this journey. Every day I'm going to be giving you another one of my tips, so watch for it. My first is stop worrying. You know, worry, it's one of the biggest contributors to inflammation, and inflammation causes disease. And hey, this is a fun one. Remember when you used to suck your thumb as a kid? Well, every emotion lodges, so many emotions lodge in our fingers. I am an acupressurist as well as a nutritionist, and I believe in Chinese medicine. So when we hold our thumbs, it contracts worry. Breathing also contracts worry. Just belly, big, deep belly breathing will really help you with this. So enjoy, hold your thumb, breathe, stop worrying. Click on over to my website, download my ebook, 22 Top Tips to Beat This Coronavirus. And while you're at it, if you're interested in taking it a little deeper, check out my 3 Months to Thrive programs and join me on this journey to get you happy, healthy, and well, and really combat any viruses that are going out there. This is Kathryn Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And I'm here to help you rebalance your hormones, increase your energy, and really love your life. Thank you. I love you. Go out and love yourself. Bye-bye.